Toothless actually ripped off Hiccup's leg in How to Train Your Dragon, and I can prove it.
I knew it. I'm dead.
So the last time we see Hiccup with both legs is when he falls into the fiery explosion and Toothless flies down to save him. As you can see, he falls head first, meaning his legs are the first thing Toothless can try to grab. The first bit of evidence I want you to see is this conversation from the second movie.
I'm actually the one who shot him down. Got me back, right, bud? You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even. So, peg leg.